welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. First of all, I want to say thank you guys so much for your support, for your love, for your comments, for your likes. So yeah, we're 7,000 guys. We're growing. I am so excited. You guys are my BFF. I don't call you guys, you know, like my followers, subscriber, or anything like that. I consider you guys friends because that's what you guys have become. I have connected with so many of you personally. For those of you that don't know, YouTube, it's not my job. YouTube, it's my outlet to share my home, my life with you guys. Anyways, you guys, thanks a lot for tuning in to another video. And this video today is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be an unboxing. I got some new accent chairs, which are these ones that you see me sitting on. They're so comfortable, you guys, and I'm so excited to share them with you because the price was just, oh my god. Wait until you see the unboxing of that. The price was crazy. And I'm also going to be sharing in this video a couple of items that I picked up at store to decorate the house for fall. I didn't go crazy this year, honestly, because I really shop my home. As many of you know, if you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, what you waiting for? I'm going to sit here and wait. I'm waiting. Go follow me there. Anyways, I'm not going to be talking so much like I always do over here. I just feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I haven't done a sit out video. So let's just jump in right into this video, right? Let's jump. So here's me and hubby opening the box, and it came really nice packed. And you guys, it was so easy to put together. You could do this alone. We do it together because we like to spend time together doing things like this. Like you saw in the unboxing part, this comes already assembled. All you have to do is put the legs. So this one came with a little stain, as you can see right there. So I called Wayfair, and they're gonna be sending me a replacement, and they told me that I could donate this item. I don't have to return it to them. So that was kind of nice of them. So overall, you guys, I honestly love the chairs. I like the color, you know, I like the fabric, and look how I style it. I think it looks so cute. They look a lot more expensive than what they cost, so that's like applause. Like I said, they were $3.46 with 20 cents, I think, for both of them. So it was free shipping, and you could also do free returns. So Wayfair is always a plus. So one of the first items that I wanted to share with you today, it's my 2018 planner. You guys, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up, but this planner is so cute. It's from mypersonalplanner.com. I will link all the info on the description box for you guys, and also a discount. Yes, you heard that right. There's a discount and a giveaway at the end of this video. So stay tuned for those details, and don't forget to up in the description box to get. You guys always ask me, how do you stay organized? And this is how, you guys. I write everything down, my ideas, my goals. I also got a really cute notebook because you could do planners notebook in this website. And I don't know where it's at. I think Jaden was playing with it, and I don't know where he put it, but I will put the picture here for you guys to see it. So guys, I'm gonna start showing you the items that I got at Amazon now. So I am an Amazon shopaholic. I'm always ordering things. This is for the diaper disposal. I do still have one in Jaden's room, and I like using this, and I think they're super affordable, and it's great to have one. So also from Amazon, you know, if you follow me on Instagram, and if you saw my table escape video for the fall, that I got these beautiful chargers on gold, and now I order them in silver, and you guys, I'm upset. $28 for 6 of them. You can't go wrong with that. I'm also gonna get the white one soon. So another random pick from Amazon is this one. It's a water pick, water fluxer. My dentist talked to me about this, and I was like, okay, I get one. This one was $59.99. I don't know how much this thing go for. I don't want to say it was pricey, but it was a little, you know, out there on the price. But I heard it's really supposed to be really good for your teeth, and I'm a teeth person. I like to have really nice, clean teeth. So I was like, okay, it's time for me to get a water pick. So that's just that. I just wanted to kind of show you. What my BFF sent me for my birthday. So she sent me a box. This is what the box looks like. So she sent me this from Florida, from Miami to be exact. So my friend, I be tagging her a lot on Insta stories. She is like a fitness, oh my god, she's like a fitness goddess. I don't know, she works out like 2 times a day. She looks so good, and she's a mom, and I'm like, oh my god, how do you do it? So anyway, she sent me a little package, and so these are CLA pills. I'm not sure, again, I don't know anything about fitness. I'm just getting into fitness. And it says here that this is a fatty acid shown to help reduce body fat. So, hey, I need that. And I think they're belts, like workout belts, right? And comment down below if this is workout belts, because I think that's what it is. I should read the package, you guys. I really should read the package. It doesn't really say much, but yeah. And look what you sent, a waist trimmer. Yes, I need this because I need my waist back, you guys. Look how cool. She uses this, and it's supposed to get, make you sweat in all the right places and give you a little nice waist. Thank you so much. I really need this, especially because my back has been killing me. Oh, then we have here some sport brats from Pink. So cute. What else is in here? She also sent me this little top. So cute. Maybe when I get motivated and I show that belly. I don't know. I need to get fit before I show that belly. But those are super cute. And also, she sent me some samples over here. One of them, it's a toning cream. And then another one is a definition cream. And then the other one is a pre-training liquid. Cool. Thank you so much, Anna, for that birthday gift. It's super amazing because I want to get into a healthy lifestyle. And thank you for sending me the lifestyle changes that I should be making. So guys, that was everything for unboxing. Now I'm going to jump into what I picked up at store. It's not a lot, but hey, let's see. I have been on the lookout for this. I think Christy mentioned it, or she linked it or somewhere. And I got this at tjmaxx.com for $59.99. And it's so pretty and thick, you guys. So I was like, oh my gosh, finally TJ Maxx has it. So I got it and I ordered that online. I also ordered from TJ Maxx online this really nice pillows. Look at that pumpkin and all that bling. So I'm going super neutral again this fall. So I thought this pillow was so nice and it was only $19.99. So I'm gonna link that pillow in the description box, so check that out. Then from Home Goods, you guys, I found this really nice metallic pillow. I'm pretty sure the camera is doing no justice to this, but it's so pretty. It has, the gold, and it has the neutral color in it, and it also has a little silver in it, so it gives you the perfect metallic. And this was $24.99, you guys. But I got this really nice beaded pillows from Burlington, and I think they were so pretty. And the price, you guys, these were only $14.99. So your girl got them in gold and also in silver. Check that out. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was it for this video. I told you it was not a crazy haul over here, but I kind of wanted to share this item with you because you're going to be seeing them in my home tour soon. So I wanted to kind of show you where I got them from and link them in case they're still at stores and you like them before I go ahead and show you the home tour. So another thing, guys, that I want to tell you is please turn on your post notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. I'm gonna have a 7K giveaway coming up and a post notification giveaway as well. In today's video, the giveaway, one lucky person is gonna get my personal planner. So you're gonna get to customize your own planner on the website or your notebook, whatever you like. Yeah, that's today's giveaway, so stay tuned because I'm gonna be having an Amazon gift card giveaway for my 7K. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification and let me know in the comments so I could give you a shout out on my next video.